Hey friends, let's do Until It Sleeps guitar lesson by Metallica. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab to make it easy to follow along, and we're tuned to E flat. So let's make a start. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're starting with an open A string, second fret on the D, open E, then go to the B string, third fret, first fret, open, then to the G string, second fret, open. So slowly. Then just play an A minor bar chord, just play from the A string down. And you can use your whammy bar there. And then we just repeat that first part again, O, 2, O, 3, 1, O, 2, O. And that's our verse. Then we have our chorus. Let me play that for you. So we're starting on a G power chord, play that 3 times. Then we play the open A. Then we're coming 7 on the D, 5 on the G. Back to the open A palm mute. And then 7D, 7G. And back to 7D, 5G. Palm mute again on the open A. Come back to 5D, 4G. 5D and G. Palm mute again on the open A, and then just 5 and 4, 5 and 5, 5 and 4, and then third fret on the E string, and you can do a bend there. So let me do that part slowly for you. And from there we're just going straight back to the A power chord, and we're doing the whole start part again, the 5 and 7, 7 and 7, palm mute. Now this time we're coming back to 3 and 2, 3 on the D, 2 on the G, 3 and 3, and back to 3 and 2, and then do the bend on the third fret on the E string again. And then just do the first one again, starting with the A power chord. Then the last one, do the start the same again. Now this time we're going to come up to 10 on the D, 9 on the G, 10 and 10, back to 10 and 9, and then our 3 E, and finish on the A power chord there. Before we go on, if you enjoy this lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week, so let's get back into it. So that's our chorus there. Then we have our little post-chorus part. Let's have a look at that. So we start the same as we did with our intro. Open, second fret on the D, open E, B, 3, 1, open, G, 2, open. This is where it changes. We're going to play the open E, third fret on the E, open A. So we have a, then we go back to the 2 on the D, open E, 3 on the B, 1 on the B. Then we jump back to the third fret on the E. And we're going to play second fret on the A, open D and G. First fret on the A, and then third fret on the A, D and open G, and then just play the A minor chord again to finish. And that's our post-chorus there. Let me play the next verse for you. So we start again the same as our intro, open 2, open 3, 1, open 2, open. This time go the A minor bar chord, and then just play the A minor chord. Now there's 2 guitars doing that. One's holding the A minor and the other's playing the low A minor there. But you can just jump if you just one guitar. and then just play the first part again. And that's our verse there. From there we have our next chorus. Let's have a look at that. So it's exactly the same start as our first chorus on the G, and our riff stays the same. Now this is where it changes. We're going to play the riff through again. We end on the A. And just go back to the 2-3. Now instead of doing the 3rd fret, play the open A string, and that gets us ready for the next heavy part there. Now there's a second guitar that comes in the second time, and it's doing a little lead thing, so let me play that just the second time through for you. So we're just doing the start of the riff, and this comes through the second time on the riff. So open. Then we're just doing a bend on the G string 7th fret. Release, pull off the 5, and then just play 7, pull off the 5, 7, pull off the 5. And then just play 5, hammer onto 7, pull off the 5. So then after that we have the next heavy riff, and there's 2 guitar parts here. Let me play guitar 1, but I'll come from the end of our chorus riff. So let's do that. So this time we're playing the open A at the end of the chorus riff, then we're coming up to an E power chord and just slide back, and then we're basically doing the same riff, but we're moving it up a string. We have 7 on the A, 5 on the D, palm mute the open E, 7 and 7 on A and D, back to 7 and 5, palm mute the open E, then come back to 4 on the A, 5 on the A, 4 on the D. This is where it changes. We're going to come up to 6 on the A and 4 on the D. Then we're going to do a little palm mute on the open E again, down, up, and then just play the E power chord and slide back again. And we're doing that 7 times, so slowly. And to repeat that 7 times, and the last one, the start stays the same. Then go back to the 3rd fret on the E and play the open A. And that's guitar 1. Now let me play guitar 2 for you. So we're just playing this octave chords. We're going to have 9 on D, 12 on G, and we're doing a down, up, and then on the next down we slide back 2 frets. Then go back to 5 and 8, 4 and 7, slide up to 5 and 8, and then go back to 1 and 4 and slide up to 2 and 5. And do that 2 times. Now before the 3rd one, we're putting in this little 7 and 10, slide back to 5 and 8. And then we do the riff again. Put that little end part in again, and then just finish the riff off. And that's guitar 2 there. Let me play the next post-chorus. So the riff riff's the same as our other post-chorus, open 2, open 3, 1, open 2, open, and then open 3, open, 2, open, 3, 1, and our chords the same, 3, 1. Now this time goes straight up to the A minor after the 1. And then again the second guitar plays the low A minor there. From there we have the verse again, and we do that exactly the same. Now there's a second guitar here also, and it's just playing the A minor chord. We're just playing the B, G and D, and just doing that 2 times. Then there's the little fill with our, and then we're coming back up again to the A minor, and it's playing the E string, B, G and D in 4 times. So that's guitar 2 there. Guitar 1's doing the other fills the same as our other verse. Then from there we go back to our chorus. We do that exactly the same as before with our heavy part at the end of the chorus. And then we have our solo. We'll do that at the end. Let's just have a look at the clean part first. Let me play that for you. So for the start of the solo, we're just playing the A minor chord, just strum it once, hold for 2 bars. And we do that 4 times again, and again. Now it changes a little bit here. We're going to play the open A, 2nd fret and 3rd fret on the A, and then we're going to do our riff again. Open G, B, 3, 1, open. There we have. Then the next time we're going to add in the 3 on the E string, and the same on the end. And then just strum the A minor chord there to finish. And we'll cover the solo at the end. Then we have our next part. Let me play that for you. So it's exactly the same riff we've already played, except we just do it through 4 times now, so slowly. And just do that through 4 times, and then we have our last little outro. Play that for you. Again, there's always 2 guitars here, so it's the same riff as our intro. Go to the bar chord A minor, and then the second guitar plays the open chord A minor, do our riff again. Now we do it the other way, we play the open A minor, second guitar plays the high A minor there, and then to finish off just play our bar chord A minor and open A minor there. Now let's have a look at the solo. Let me play that for you, then we'll break it down. So we're going to start on the 17th fret on the B and the E, play that 3 times. Then come up to 19 on the E, still playing 17 on the B 3 times. Back to 17 and 17 2 times. Then come up to 20 on the E, 17 on the B 3 times. back to 19 on the E and 17 3 times, 17 on the B and the E 2 times, and then just bend on the 20th fret on the B, holding 17 on the E 2 times, then play 17 on the E and the B again, slide back to 15, and then just play 17 again, then do that again, 17, slide back to 15, then come back to the 12th fret B and E, play it 2 times, 15 B and E, and back to 12 B and E. And we do that through 2 times. And then to finish it off, we're going to slide up to the 7th fret on the D, play 9, 10, 7 on the G, 9 on the G, and then play 9, slide up to 14, and then play 14 again. And then we do the start the same again, 7, 9, 10, 7, 9, but this time slide up to 12. Play it again, do that again, 7, 9, 10, 7, 9, this time slide up to 12, play 14, B string 12, 15, E string 12, so 12, 14, 15, 17, and then do 3 bends on the 17. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed Until It's Sleep guitar lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you soon.